Namaskar, good morning, Ram Ram. Welcome to your own channel RK Astro English. Do you know that there is one place in your birth chart, or maybe two houses in your birth chart, regarding what that house is? You always should be silent. You always should be in the position that not to disclose related to things of that house. Whenever you will disclose, you will be in pain, you will be in loss. First thing is this. And secondly, there is always one house where the eighth house lord will go, that will be the house of a pain for you. Eighth house lord is a pain. That is a house of transformation for you. That is a house of secrecy for you. Now let's decode this step by step. We will go into all the shastras what they said. Then we go into your chart, that where your eighth house lord is, because I will rotate eighth house lord in all 12 houses and will tell you where you need to keep secret, how you need to be a secret. Because the maximum time I see the chart of people, I do consultations. If somebody have this combination, especially the eighth and third lord, they usually doing the mistake of revealing the communication. So I will go step by step, don't worry. The secret of your life today we are going to reveal here step by step. So first off, what is eighth house? The eighth house in Vedic astrology is known as a Ashtama Bhava, Randara Bhava, most mysterious and transformative house of the birth chart. This is also told by Prasharji that this is a Dushtana. Dushtana, very difficult house that represents the sudden changes, transformation, physical to metaphysical, ruling over the life's inevitable cycles of the endings and rebirths, and while often feared for its association with chronic illness, sudden obstacles. But today, the video is not to make you panic from 8th house. Today, to tell you the solution, that how you can find solution to the 8th house, because same thing I did in my life. Because currently I am in 8th house Dasha. And how I came to know about this 8th house Dasha, this was really, a transformative period for me last 8 years. But yes, thank God, after 5 years, I, understand this thing, that I am in 8th house Dasha. So thanks to the God that he bring all the changes in myself. But yes, so it governs everything. What everything? That lies beneath the surface, hidden prayers, secret knowledge, subconscious mind, moksha, liberation, yoga, meditation, everything under the earth, intense experiences, and this lead to the profound spiritual and personal evolution. One thing you tell me, I ask all my clients and students also, even in your life, you cannot be a transformative person without pain. And I seen in this my life. For example, you want one permanent tattoo here on your arm or your hand or wherever. Do you think without pain you can have a tattoo, permanent tattoo? No, you can't have. You have to go through the intense pain and full procedure, and after few hours you will have that beautiful tattoo on the house, on the hand. When? After a pain. Do you think any person who become a big officer or a big businessman, he becomes overnight? No, he gone through the pain. So this house is a beautiful house. The only things why this house called Dushtana, not good house, pain house, because most of the people don't want to take this word pain in their life, and it is written everywhere that no pain, no gain. This I am not telling. Astrology is not telling. All cultures of society, all people in the world saying this word, no pain, no gain. So where it comes from? It comes from the 8th house. And also note down, whenever you will go through the astrologer, or you will go to the astrology, or you will start learning astrology, there is a participation of 8th house, because without pain, nobody will go for astrology. When we go to astrologer, when we are in pain, when we want to know the unknown secrets of life, when I am in pain. So 8th house is also a occult and all hidden sciences. and this 8th house brings you near the astrology and astrologer. So that is important. I always say, my dear family members, I was journalist and working very well. So what is the use of doing this astrology and becoming astrologer? I think every person in his lifetime must read and learn astrology in positive manner. This is my suggestion. And very soon, because so many inquiries to Garimaji, that when the English classes in a group I am going to start. So I am thinking on this because right now I am pressurized with other things of individual students and consultations and videos, so many things. But very soon I will be there to help you to manage your 8th house. Astrology, not only have to learn because I don't want to become astrologer, doesn't matter. You also have a 8th house. 8th house Lord is sitting somewhere. So you want to correct that house, so you must learn astrology. Okay, now let's go. What is 8th house? 8th house has a beautiful name called longevity. This is known as your Ayur Bhava, determines the lifespan and the nature of the death. Sudden events. It controls the shocks, both sudden windfalls and unexpected accidents. This is unearned wealth, maybe through insurance, alimony, inheritance, spouse finances, speculative gains, unearned money, other people's money, and occult also. What I am doing right now. Deep research, astrology, psychology, and hidden secrets. I can make simple video also. I can start from here. Okay, your first house Lord will go here and do there, and no. Why I am doing this thing? I am also in 8th house Lord Dasha. I also want to do research. So this is my karma also, to do research and tell the family members with the scratch. Okay. Chronic issues. So any long-term health issues, ailments, surgeries, reproductive related issues, or any hidden body parts issues is 8th house. Now 8th house, you see, whenever the Saturn will be here in the 8th house, if any person have in D1 or D9, this is a sign of a longevity. This shows that this person has a strong immunity power and strong power to fight with the pain, and this person has a long life. And as you know that 8th house is such a tricky house. This is not easy to read this house, but still I am telling you, beautiful house. Only thing, you need to love this house, you have to live this house, and you have to use the positive things of this house. Then definitely you will you say 8th house is the best. Now today the Sanskrit verses are little more tough, so kindly pardon me if I anyhow spell wrong or I say wrong. Please kindly. BPHS, breath pressure हो रहा है शास्त्र. What it say? आयु मरण कारणम गृहस्थानम च चिंतयेत दुखानि विघ्न रोगांश च अष्टम भावात निरीक्षेत. That means the 8th house should be examined for longevity, cause of death, secret or hidden matters, suffering and obstacles, diseases. Interpretation is the, according to Prashara, the 8th house governs the hidden dimension of the life. This is final interpretation. Everything what is hidden. And your in-laws also your in-laws are 8th house. So the lifespan, crisis, karmic obstacles, and the secrets and the mystery, every single mystery, the hidden enemies are here also. Brihat Jatika. What Brihat Jatika is saying? Brihat Jatika say, Ayu, Bhargam, Bhayam, Mrityu, Drukham, Gruha, Chintiyet, Ashtam Sthanam Sambhutam, Sarvamite Prachakshte. What it means? From 8th house, you can see the lifespan, danger and destruction, death, suffering, hidden matters, and the interpretation for this is, Varahamira emphasizes that because Brihat Jataka is written by Varahamira. So what is the interpretation? Varahamira emphasizes that the 8th house represents life's most vulnerable points. Sudden events, hidden weaknesses, crises. However, when strong 8th house also gives a great endurance and survival ability. whoever eighth house is in strongest mode, like I have a strongest eighth house because my eighth house lord is exalted, so they are the people who can fight more good, who can fight more tough, who can survive in the even toughest man, in toughest pain. And they are the people, if they can use this pain in the better way, they can be the gem of person. Only thing how you use this is what the astrology wants to teach you. This is nothing about the prediction, this is about the guidance. Fal Deepika. आयु कलेशो भय मृत्यु गृह स्थानम तथैव च अष्टम भाव संयुक्तम सर्वमेतत् विनिर्देशन. What it's saying? Eighth house indicates longevity, suffering, fear, death. Almost things are repeating, but we must know what Shastra is saying, what secret or hidden matters, and what Manteshwara saying here. Manteshwara states that eighth house reveals the deep karmic challenges. It often brings events that are unexpected, transformative, beyond personal control, and yes, it can also indicate the hidden wealth and the inheritance. Different point of view. Saravalli. What Saravalli is saying? Kalyan Varma. He say, Ashtam nidhanam dukham vyadhim papam bhayamevacha gud vastu jnanamapi ashtam bhavat vinirdeshat. What it's saying? The eighth house signifies the death, suffering, disease, sin, misfortune, fear, knowledge of hidden things. Saravalli here interprets and highlights the important positive aspects of eighth house, that it can give you hidden sciences, astrology, tantra, yantra, mantra, mysticism, secret research. You can be a great researcher. You can be engineer, IT, tech, accountancy, auditing. All are eighth house. Surgeons. So eighth house is not only the bad thing. Jataka Parijat. What they say? They say, Ayu Bharya Mrityukscha Rogadu Khasa Manitam. Little tough. Gruhacha Ashtam Bhaven Gyaimitye Vidhyate. That is from the eighth house, you know the longevity, fear, death, disease, suffering, hidden matters, interpretation. The text stresses that the eighth house is a deeply karmic thing, and events signified by it often arise suddenly as the result of past karmas. Okay. Now a deeper classical insight here is Ashtam Bhavo Rahasya Sthanam. What ancient astrologer is saying, the eighth house is house of mysteries, because it deals with the life, death, rebirth and the hidden forces, and it is considered to be one of the most powerful and mysterious houses in horoscope. In all Dushtanas, Prashadji say eighth house is the most malefic house. But today what I will told you about the eighth house, according to your house, your placement, you will definitely be in love with this eighth house. So Dushtana principles, malefics becomes strong. Classical texts explain the malefic planets often perform better in difficult houses like 6, 8 and 12. So what it writes, Shashta Vyaiga Papa Shubha Prada Samrita Shubha Neva Tutrasa Falada Syu Sama Kavachita. That means malefic planets placed in the 6, 8, 12 houses can give a good results. Benefic planet placed here, they may not always produce strong favorable outcomes. So this is a key classical rule. Why? Let's go to the next plate. Because these houses represent difficulty and struggle, and malefic planets naturally governs the conflict, endurance, survival, transformation. Thus, they can handle the energy of these houses very good. Example, Mars in 8th house, strong survival instinct. You can be doctor, surgeon, and if it is afflicted or debilitated, then accidents also. Saturn in 8th house, long life and endurance. Rahu in 8th house, occult mastery or a deep research. Rahu can make you great researcher here. So what is 8th house? 8th house is a house of hidden knowledge. Many texts say, Gudhartha Jnanamashtame Bhave. That means the 8th house gives the knowledge of hidden truth. Interpretation is, this includes fields like astrology, tantra, mantra, siddhi, mysticism, psychology, psychiatrist, deep research, and people who explore mysteries of life, death, often have a strong 8th house. Even people who work in a secret services, 8th house is very strong for them. So the another traditional teaching described the 8th house as a place of destruction and rebirth. Nasho shashtam bhavata prokto punam janmasya karanam. That means the 8th house signifies the destruction that leads to the rebirth. And the interpretation is this does not only mean physical death. It also represents the psychological and the karmic transformation. So the example is sudden change in career, spiritual awakening, life altering events at a deep internal transformation. I tell you one thing, die is only not physical die. Suppose I am some bad person, I have some bad qualities, addictions. When I will finish my addictions, because 8th house is also addictions, when I will kill my addictions, I will transform myself into a new person. That doesn't mean that one person is died. His old habits died, his addictions died, and a new person is in front of you. So very deep thing this is. So many texts like that, Gudhartha Jnana Ashtame Bhave, that means 8th house knowledge of a hidden truth, and this includes astrology, tantra, mantra, siddhi. I think this we already done. So the classical astrologer also examined this. Again the BPH is saying Ayu Sthan Midam Prokta Shashtam Prokmashtam Munin Satme. That means the sages declare the 8th house as a house of longevity, the big age. So the interpretation is to judge the lifespan, astrologers analyze the 8th house, 8th lord, Saturn, Lagna and its lord. A strong 8th house often indicates resilience and the long life. So the secret power of 8th house. Ancient astrologer also say Rahasya Sthanam, the house of mysteries, the house of secrets. It governs things that grow stronger in the secrecy, such as spiritual practices, tantra, mantra, strategic planning, hidden wealth, confidential knowledge. They all grow under a secrecy. That's why today I'm going to tell you which house you need to be secret in your life. If you will reveal, that house will not work for you. So finally, now we are in the prediction part, and you can see a person in a first house. What it's saying. First, I will tell you what 8th lord will do here, then how you need to be a secretive. Although this is a very natural position, when 8th house lord is in the first house, they are naturally secretive person. When 8th house lord comes to the ascendant, the native's personality itself becomes the mysterious and the intense. Such people often carry a deep psychological aura, and others may feel that they are hiding something. They are secretive person. But yes, this is true. They don't reveal all things. You cannot, get out of their heart what they are thinking. Life experiences tend to be transformative, and native may go through the several internal rebirth throughout the life. They may be interested in occult sciences. If you have this combination, you can see tantra, psychology, hidden knowledge. Maybe they are the person who is a engineer, tech person, IT person, researcher, and sometimes maybe you are into addictions, and sometimes you are a person who is an extremist. Extremism about anything, because they people when go into something, they do the extremism. If they start eating mushroom pizza one day, they will eat this for next 6 months daily. Extremism. If they take a red shirt, then they will take all shirts next to the red. Extremism. So this kind of extremism also is extremism. So this person may prefer privacy and may not reveal the real emotions. There can be a sudden change in a life direction, health or identity, and these natives often experience karmic lessons related to self-understanding and a personal transformation. So my dear family member, addiction tendencies may manifest towards the self-image. Now, this is because the extremism and obsession also. So what is your extremism and obsession? You are addicted towards your own self-image and personal habits. That means person may obsessed with improving, transforming and controlling their identity. And Sun natives may deeply involved in the spiritual transformation practices. Yes, this is a positive that some person may be deep dive into this, spirituality and yoga, meditation, all these sadhanas, occult sadhanas. But if afflicted, this person may struggle with anxiety, hidden fears, or psychological turbulence. I see the people who have an 8th house lord in the lagna, they always have some, you know, um, hidden fear in their mind, and the personality may appear calm but internally intense. Health can fluctuate because this is chronic disease, came to the lagna, especially due to the stress or the hidden illness. However, if planet is strong, this placement can give a powerful intuition. Yes, they are very intuitive person. That's why they are very good in the astrology, tantra, mantra, and yantra. And this native can be a good researcher. And they believe strongly in the rebirth, life and the rebirth. They have the strong belief regarding this thing. There is addiction to self-transformation. And the people, if you have this combination, family member, you might constantly change your appearance, your name, or your identity. You can be a secret agent. Your life path is rarely linear, often marked by a major reboots, where you walk away from your old life to start something new. So, my dear family member, for the every ascendant, I am going to give you one sutra, one tip. What is tip for you? My dear family member, if you have this combination, 8th house lord in lagna, so this is good if you are secretive in positive way. Don't reveal your personality, don't reveal your plans, don't reveal what is going in your mind. You will reveal and people will take benefit. Whenever you will go into astrology, whenever you read the occult sciences, there will be the peace of mind. There will be the good things in relationship, because when 8th house lord will sit here, he will directly aspect the 7th house. So pain is there in the constant life, but now this pain is transferred to the life partner, business partners, and business also. So I don't want this, pain in my life. If this is what you are thinking, then my dear family member, try to learn astrology, try to do yoga meditation, try to be a spiritual, try to transform yourself daily. No astrologer, and I can't myself termed as astrologer. I am just a very small guide and a source between you and God, nothing else. So if you're watching this video, maybe God has told you to go and transform yourself. So the transformation is very important part of your life daily. Whatever you see that something is bad in me, or somebody is telling me, mother is telling me, you change yourself, this, keep changing, no problem. Transformation is the biggest tool for you people to live healthy and happily. And astrology. And maybe you can become a researcher, maybe you can become an engineer, IT person, secret agent, surgeon. But yes, this is one of the complex placement, but one of the best placement. The only thing is how you mold yourself. My dear family member, nothing to worry about any house or any planet. The only thing, the usage of that planet and house, this is all about astrology. No need to change planets. Need to change ourselves. This is my mantra from 2026 onwards. And I'm constantly working on myself, my students, and my family members who are taking consultations. I'm constantly working. Please change yourself. Don't tell that I want to change Rahu, Ketu, Shani, Mangal. No. Totally wrong. So my dear family member, thank you very much. So tip for you is, I already told where you need changes, and you need to be secretive about yourself. Don't reveal any person. And I wish you a great luck, because this video includes the guidance along with the the remedy for you people, what you need to do. You do this and you can comment what you feel after doing this. So I wish you a great time for you, and thanks for blessing. So much love I am getting. I am feeling that same time I am sitting in South Africa also, USA also, UK also, India to hai India, yes I am. So thank you very much for this great love and blessings. If you already subscribed, then thank you. If not, then kindly bless with subscription and hype also. This is my request. Thank you, family member. Now this goes to the second house. Eighth house, Lord in second house. Now, my dear family member, if you have this combination that your eighth house Lord, that whatever sign is there in the eighth house, and it is sitting in the placed in the second house, so I will tell you the beautiful remedy to get best benefits from this placement. But before this, what it shows in journal. When the eighth house Lord moves to the second house, secrecy becomes connected with wealth, speech, family, family matters, food habits. The native may keep financial matters private. Addiction tendencies can be there related to food, wealth accumulation, sensor players, and the person might develop obsessive habits related to eating. You can't even imagine how this person is eating same thing daily, or very unconventional things, or collecting resources. They may collect coins, they may collect stamps, because this is a house of collection, accumulation, so he can accumulate things. Yes, there may be also sudden gains and losses. Now the sudden gains and losses goes to the second house. Family life may also be up down. There will be always transformation, and this native always emotionally distant from the family members at the time. If planet is afflicted, there can be a dispute regarding wealth and family, this assets, inheritance. However, this placement can produce deep researchers, especially in the field of finance, taxation, insurance, ancient knowledge. This native may interest in mantras, speaking mantras especially. And maybe the secret knowledge is passed through the lineage, because now this is a lineage, second house, and when eighth house Lord is going there, maybe this occult and all this secret knowledge is passed from family lineage. And the eighth Lord is strong, this person may gain wealth through inheritance, occult, and all the activities of eighth house: engineering, IT, manufacturing, CA, auditing, research fields. Now their speech is something what they need to take care. Either that will be very magnetism speech or very authoritative speech. Financial life many times will go through ups and downs, because wherever the eighth house Lord will go, whatever he will do the up and down. This is a There is a potential addiction to accumulate. Either you need or not need, you will accumulate. I know some people who even don't throw the ticket after the flight or somewhere. They're also accumulating. Oh, I have 10 years back ticket. See, and for them, the tongue is sharp. They say something wrong which lands them into problem. Now pain is there. And financial stability for them often comes in waves, sudden windfalls. And the lesson here is to find value in the things that are not in material, as your physical possessions are frequently more important. And I tell you one thing, whenever I see this combination, I always say, family is a mode of pain for you. Sometimes, because pain goes to the family house, now family is the reason for your pain. Sometimes your speech is a reason for your pain. Sometimes your food habits is a reason for your pain. And sometimes your wealth can be the reason for your pain. Yes, wealth can also be a reason. And because 8th house is gone there, so now you have such a in-laws who have a interference in your family. In-laws gone there, and this is a placement one time in a lifetime. or maybe this happened or can happen, I don't know. One time in a lifetime, whole family can go into a deep pain and the deep state of transformation. And now for you, my dear family member, your family will be the source of your transformation. And don't resist the transformation. Because the only thing is, when we resist the transformation, then this house bring more pain. We have to welcome the transformation. And now the tip for you, my dear family member, where you need to be secretive, because now 8th house Lord is there. Never ever you have to disclose your bank balance, your wealth, your accumulation, your gems and jewelry. Nothing to tell publicly about your family. Oh, we are happy with family today. Why we bought this, something new. Oh, I am today with family in a restaurant. You are attracting a evil eye. Now the 8th house is saying, stay secret about this house. Shh. Secret about your food habits, secret about your accumulation, secret about your family, everything. Don't tell anyone, I have a 2 million rupees, I have a 10 million rupees. As you disclose, now you will start losing that thing. Because there is a evil eye, there is a 8th house, there is a pain, there is a factor of secrecy in that house. And that house wants secrecy to be covered. Don't discuss about family everywhere. My family is like this, my family is very good, they help me very much, or my family is very bad. No need to discuss. And here, your every single word should be calculated and think about before you speak, my dear family member, because opposite it 8th house, and this planet is aspecting 8th house also. So your own wrong words can bring pain for you. Your own wrong eating habits can bring pain for you. So this is a tip, my dear family member. Shh, about 2nd house. So if you have this combination, and if you will learn astrology, well, you can ask, you tell every person should learn astrology. If you will learn astrology, then your pain due to family, your pain due to wealth will go away. Or either I can say, you are a person who can make your wealth from occult sciences. Occult sciences are there in the house of wealth. You can make wealth through research, manufacturing, IT, engineering, tech. You can make wealth through surgeries, inheritance. In-laws can give you money. So my dear family member, if you have this combination, kindly write below, and thank you very much for supporting me, loving me, blessing me. Keep blessing. And if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and also press the hype button. Thank you, family member. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Now the 8th house Lord in 3rd house. This is very difficult to make such long videos because I work from morning and now sometime I have but okay. Where? 3rd house. Where you need to be secret. Now this was one of the combination in my chart of my student, and what happened with him, I will also tell you. First of all, when 8th house Lord goes to the 3rd house, now the secrecy and intensity influence the communication, courage and the skill. Addiction tendencies may develop toward what? Communication. Addiction toward what? Social media, gossip, thrill seeking, risky activities. And 3rd house is a attraction also. Now addictions are going there. So you are automatically attracted to the addictions. 8th house Lord is 8 places away from itself. 8th from 8. The most dangerous house is 8th. But can't you know that the most dangerous house is 3rd, because this is 8th from 8th. This person may be obsessed with learning secrets, uncovering hidden truths. Courage may appear in unusual way, not in normal circumstances he will show courage. The native may take risk other than hesitate to take. And relationship with younger siblings and neighbors may be complex or like karmically intense relationship. This placement often gives a talent in a research, writing, journalism, detective work, investigative fields, and the person may enjoy uncovering mysteries and solving complex problems of the life. And sudden travel or unexpected communication events may occur in the life. If afflicted, then the misunderstanding between the siblings and the neighbor is a very common thing. When strong, the person will be extremely resourceful and capable of surviving even in the difficult circumstances. And their mind is sharp and capable of penetrating beyond the superficial appearances. And whenever 8th house lord will go to the 3rd house, this is combination in one of my uh, students chart. So there is a risk of addiction to internet. If you are one of them, kindly after watching my video keep your phone, not right now, social media. And maybe your neighbors are very secretive, your younger siblings are very secretive, and your hands, 3rd house is hands, your hands may be skilled in some transformative arts like surgery, occult healing, technical research. And writing or journaling can be a powerful tool for you to show your strength, your psychological pressure you can release by pen. Now my dear family member, one of my student had this combination, and one day when he was taking class he told me, sir, do you know I was going to get promotion in 2 days, and suddenly my friend get this promotion, not me. I just seen his chart after class. And I said, can you please tell me that have you disclosed anyone about your promotion before? He said, yes, I disclosed this thing to my friend that in few days I am getting promotion on this post and this is thing, and that my friend gone to the bosses and he do something politics like this, and he get the promotion and I stayed without promotion. Now why? Because 8th house is in a house of communication. You have not to reveal your communication, my dear friend. No, 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 no. You will reveal your communication. Somebody will take the benefit from this. You will really reveal about your courage. Oh, I am very courageous person. I can do this. I can do this. Okay. Reveal. Then you see when the time will come, you will not able to show your courage. If you will reveal your communications, I am going to do this mail. I am, you reveal about your relationship. My younger siblings are very good. My neighbors are very good. Why you are disclosing everything? Don't ever reveal even your hobbies. This is the 3rd house, hobbies also. Don't reveal your attractions, because when I reveal my attraction to someone, this will be my weakness now in his hands. He can anytime use this weakness. So don't reveal. Don't reveal about your short journeys. Some people before time, they will just on the Facebook, oh, tomorrow we are going here. Okay. And suddenly train cancel, plane cancel, or something happened like this. This is the house of communication. So my dear friend, whenever you will do a communication in your life, it should be the secretive and it should be very careful communication. Now pain is here. So whenever you will land yourself in a problem, that will be because of the communication, wrong communication. You should be very careful while you write your mails and messages and while you communicate. And maybe this is a combination of some person and he is going somewhere and telling all the friends, all the people, my visa is coming in next 2 days. Yes, I'm going somewhere, and suddenly visa stopped. Why? This is also visa. Why you are disclosing? Never ever disclose about your relocation. This is a house of relocation. नहीं बोलने का. Shh, not to speak. So my dear friend, I hope I told you, and never ever disclose your documents even. Some people file like they can place like this on the table or anywhere in the car, and some person is coming and reading. Why? And never ever use somebody other person's pen to sign any document. Use your own pen. So my dear family member, I hope I able to teach you, guide you what you need to do, and what will happen with you if you will be the person who is learning occult. You can be a very good occultist, very good astrologer. This is 8 places away. The only thing is need to keep a discipline while you learn any science. And who will be the reason of pain for you? Your communication, your younger siblings, your neighbor, your attraction. This can be the pain for your reason for your pain. So thank you, my dear family member. Kindly subscribe. If you already subscribed, then thank you. Hype also. We'll meet you in some another video and wish you a great luck ahead. And this is my own 8th house lord in 4th house. So this is this combination say, my dear friend, I will not let you stay comfortably. This is a peace of mind, and 8th house pain is coming here. So family can be the reason of pain. If you will stay at your birthplace, you will be in the pain. Because this is my native place also. And you know, addiction tendencies may manifest towards the emotional comfort, home environment. They are the people who are addicted towards staying at home. Me also. And the native may become attached to the certain emotional patterns or memories. Sometimes there can be obsessed with the property matters, ancestral lands, or a hidden family history. Here the mother can be the reason for the pain. Mother is in pain, you are in the pain for the health reasons. And this placement often shows interest in occult knowledge. And you know, you can practice occult here as a profession. Now why? Because just opposite to 4th house is a 10th house. So if occult planet is here and also expecting you are like in my case also, so you can be a teacher, you can be a good astrologer, and even working from home as I am doing. I don't want to go out of the home. This native may enjoy the solitude and introspection, the mother's deep psychological awareness. You can't imagine. In our whole family, my niece, nephews, me, sisters, brothers, we have any problem, we just go to our mother. And my mother has not read any astrology or psychology, nothing. But she has this natural instinct. Whenever we go, we ask something, she tells us such a solution that within 15 minutes we get relief or have a solution. Why? Now 8th house lord, a mystical power is here with the mother. Mystical power. And whenever the 8th house lord will be in 4th house, now the inheritance will come to you. That is not a problem. 8th house lord is there, if not very much afflicted. Property gains may come unexpectedly. You even not expecting some property, and then even it can come to you. And you know, there can be hidden issues in your property, in your land, in your, you know, sometimes disputed property, sometimes continuous issues in your home. And here the relationship with mother is also deeply karmic, involving secrets of profound psychological bonds that is both transformative and exhausting. And you might have an obsession with the ancestral history or digging into the roots. I told in one video that I always ask my grandmother when she was here that, you know, can you tell me what is our lineage, from where we come, what my forefathers do? I always ask. No person, no kid other in the family ask them. I don't know from where it come to my mind, and I always ask. Peace of mind is often disrupted by sudden emotional storms in your life. requiring you to find internal grounding through meditation rather than relying on the external security. Ultimately, this placement forces you to find within you who are you, why you are here. Don't go anywhere outside. Now, my dear family members, if you have this combination, and if you are the same person who is like me, have a pain in your inner peace is disturbed, then the astrology is the best science. What I also feel when I started, I am feel a blessed person to go on. My all this pain is gone now. But biggest secret, where you need to be secretive, you need to be secretive about your property. You need to be secretive about your vehicles. You need to be secretive about your mother. And you need to be secretive everything what is going in your heart. No need to express. You will express and people will take benefit of this pain. You will tell about property, your property will be in the problem like disputes or litigations or like this. No. Don't disclose about your comforts, about your luxuries. I am very comfortable here. Oh, I have a luxurious house. I have a this, I have a that. Okay, tell what I can say. And for these people, family can be sometimes the, home environment can be the source of pain. I always feel when I go to some another country or sit somewhere else, I always feel relaxed. Maybe people thinking, he's going somewhere, he want to, visit different tourist places. No, 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 no. Even if I go to some country, I sit there in a room all the day, doing nothing. Just I have a good peace of mind there, not at birthplace because of this combination. So yes, this is a true that this kind of people, if stay away from their birthplace or some another country or another culture or tradition, they are more successful and more peaceful at mind. So if you have this combination, my dear family member, you can write below in the comments. And thank you very much for watching video and blessing me. Thank you very much. Keep blessing. If you are new, kindly subscribe and hype. Every family member, please, whenever you see video, only you have to press hype button. Thank you very much. Now the secret of your life, if your 8th house lord is in 5th house. Now family members who have a 5th lord in 8th house, this is no more different than this 4th house, because that was peace of your heart, and this is peace of mind. So whenever the 8th lords go to the 5th house, now the native's thinking style becomes a deep investigative and philosophical. Always like something is wrong. Kuch to gadbad hai there. Something is wrong there. Always investigative mind. They can enjoy studying hidden sciences, research, tantra, mantra, astrology. Romantic relationships are very intense for them because they are very secretive, and they always you know always can doubt in relationships. Yes, addiction tendencies may relate to romance, speculation, gambling, and the person may become obsessed with learning mysteries or exploring occult knowledge. Emotional attachment in love relationship may be sometimes powerful, sometimes very transformative also. And the creativity may emerge through the mystical and psychological themes. And the native may produce the writings or art related to spirituality, mystery, or hidden truth. But if afflicted, yes, your romantic life will, definitely in problem. Your children may be either very unique personality or very spiritual kids or very secretive kids. However, in female chart, if we have this combination, sometimes it also create problems in conceiving. However, this person, if 8th lord is in 5th house, he can be a very powerful mantra practitioner, very powerful mantra practitioner, or a spiritual teacher, because this is a mantra siddhi house. Now if you will chant mantras continuously, you can siddh that mantra. And their intelligence is always capable of understanding the profound philosophical concept which other will not easily understand. They will easily understand. This placement brings secrecy to the romance, creativity, and children related things. And you may have an, you should avoid this addiction to the gambling and to the stock market related things without doing any research. Because I generally see, if 8th house lord is in the 5th house, and if you are doing the stock market or any speculation related things without research, you are always in the loss. Whenever you will do the great research, you will have benefit. And if you see, sometime these days especially, children may be born through unconventional means, IVF or something like this. Your own intelligence is very penetrative and you always try to learn the things. But yes, there might be a secret obsession with a particular hobby or a dark creative outlet that you don't share with the public. And artistic expression for you is often a form of therapy, way to release the intense 8th house energy. The only thing is, you work on your gut feeling. And these people often have a gut issues also, because now 8th house, the chronic disease comes there. Gut health issues, liver issues, they always need to take care. Health issues of kids, they need to take care. Secretive relationships, they should avoid in their life. Now, my dear family member, what you need to be a very secretive, you need to be a very secretive about your studies. This is house of study. You should not reveal, I have completed this much course, now I am doing this, now I am doing, no. You should be very secretive about your love relationships. Whenever you will disclose your love relationships or romantic relationships to the people through the social media or through like gatherings, definitely you are in the problem. The love relationship will be in the problem. Always problem. Now, when 8th house lord is here, you should be secretive about your kids. You should be secretive about your creative powers. Should be secretive about your startups which you are going to start, still not formed into a business. And you should be secretive about anything what is going here. This is a brain. You no need to tell any person what you are thinking. Now, who can be the reason of pain? Your love life can be reason of pain, or your kids can be reason for pain. And if you are not a spiritual person, if you will not transform yourself with mantra siddhi, then this pain is also transforming to the 11th house, your friend circle, social circle. So there can be also, hampered relations or not very good relations, or you have very secretive friend circle. Secretive kids you can, or maybe have secretive friend circle also. So what will happen if you learn astrology here? If you will learn astrology, my dear family member, your mind will be free from the pressure. You have a good relationship with kids and in romantic life. And you can do very well in your research studies or studies. And with the positiveness of the occult, your Purva Punya Karam, the past life karmas, also will activate here. So I think you must learn the astrology. This will make your intellect more sharp. Thank you, family member. If you have this combination, kindly write down below and bless me with subscription. If you have not subscribed, and a hype button. Thank you very much. Wish you a great day, great time ahead. Now, the 8th house lord in a 6th house, this is a Viparit Raj Yog. Whenever 8th house lord or 12th house lord goes to each other houses, then it becomes a Viparit Raj Yog. And when the 8th lord comes to the 6th house, the energy of 2 difficult houses combining now and creating an intense karmic challenges but also strong resilience, and the native may face a hidden enemies in the life or a complicated work situations. This place often gives the ability to defeat the adversaries through the strategy and the constant effort. Addiction tendencies may be like work stress, competition, you know, health habits. The person may become obsessed with solving problems, defeating enemies, with their can be obsessed about the routine. No, 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 no. I can't leave my routine. There may be the compulsive routine related things in your life, and that is good. This placement can give success in professions related to the medicine, healing, research, investigation, crisis management, taxation, insurance, manufacturing, IT tech engineering. And this person is capable of dealing with emergencies and complex situations. Health may require attention because hidden illness may appear. However, this person have a strong survival instincts. They will overcome difficulties and emerge stronger even after all the problems. The more problems, more they will be the stronger. As this creates a Vipreet Raj Yoga, but only after dealing with the intense challenge. Vipreet, that means the difficult situations will come, then you will face that situation, you are the winner, and then you will get all the Raj Yoga. And they are the people who are very secretive in handling the daily routine and the workplace related things. Hidden enemy is always in their life. You can feel, and planet to planet it changes that what kind of hidden enemy is. And there is a risk of hidden illness as well sometimes, often from psychological stress. You are naturally drawn to the healing professions. Ayurveda is very good for you. Your life is often a series of battles that you win through the sheer endurance and ability to outlast your opposition. And the 8th house here demands that you clean up the underworld of your daily life. And one thing I'm going to tell you about the 8th house secret, which I learned from some great person. Whenever the 8th house Lord will come to the 6th house, now the 8th house is a pain. Pain is coming to the 6th house. 6th house is the enemies. Now your enemies will be in pain. Yes, first you will get enemies, then only pain come to them. So enemies will be in pain. And my dear family member, who is the reason of pain for you? The reason of pain for you is your uncle, aunt, your maternal relatives. Reason of pain for you is the people whom with you are working, your colleagues. Your pain is due to your indisciplined approach sometime. Always you will land into the problem. Your pain can be a loan. Your pain can be a health issues. And what you need to be secretive here. In your job, always be secretive. Don't tell any person I am working there, so big salary, I am this, that. No. Don't disclose people about their routine, your routine. I wake up 4 in the morning, I do yoga, I go for walk, I do this. Why are you disclosing your routine if you have this combination? Never ever disclose about your health issues. Never ever disclose any seva or service if you go and serve somewhere voluntarily. Please don't disclose. This is a hidden house coming here. You need to keep it hidden. Your workplace challenges, your loans, never disclose. Your health issues, never disclose. So this is a mistakes what we do in daily life and pain comes. So thank you family member. If you have this combination, kindly write below if I missed something. And if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and bless and also press the hype button to help me further. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. I wish you a great time ahead. Now the 8th house Lord in the 7th house. This is very tricky condition because now the 8th house Lord is 12th from himself. So when 8th house Lord will go to the 7th house, relationship may become an intense, karmic, and transformative. And the spouse may possess some mysterious qualities or an interest in hidden knowledge can be there. The native may keep a certain aspects of relationship private. Addiction tendencies may be related to the relationship, romantic relationships, sexual intimacy, and sometimes the emotional dependency on the partner. And the person may become a deeply attached to the partnerships. Sudden changes in relationships may occur, bringing a powerful life lessons to you. But if afflicted, the trust issues or hidden matters within the marriage or in within the partnership may arise. However, if planet is strong, the spouse may help the native to grow spiritually and psychologically. So a big transformation in your life can come after the marriage. After marriage, people will say, oh, you are a changed person. Partnership may involve, research, occult sciences, healing professions, secret projects, and marriage becomes a path of a deep transformation and an emotional evolution in your life, because the life partner is a person now who can be reason for your pain or who can be the reason for your transformation. So my dear family member, your spouse might be researcher, financer, or occultist, auditor, CA, surgeon. Maybe sometime the first marriage or a major partnership may undergo a death and rebirth processes where the relationship must fundamentally change to survive. And you may find yourself attracted to people who are mysterious, and you can marry that type of person. Sometimes they, because this is a public life, 7th house now, 8th house is all hidden things. So public life may involve sudden scandals or unexpected rise sometime, and sometime unexpected fall in reputation, depending on the strength of the 7th lord and the other conditions. So my dear family member, maybe your spouse is secretive, maybe you have kept your marriage secretive, maybe your in-laws are interfering very much, maybe there are some chronic health issues to life partner, maybe there is some chronic issues between you and your life partner, like daily fights which become intense and intense. So whenever we have this combination, we always say people, go and marry some surgeon, go and marry some person who is a very spiritual person, or go and marry some engineer, IT tech related person, marry some astrologer. This can balance the energy of this house. Now where you should be secretive. The one thing, pain can become due to the business, pain can become due to the life partner, pain can become due to the business partners or customer. And here the transformation can come due to life partner, transformation can come due to business, and the transformation can come due to business partner. Now where you need to be secretive, kindly be secretive about your married life, be secretive about your business, be secretive about your your relationship with your wife or husband whatsoever. Never ever disclose. You will always find yourself in a problem if you will disclose these things. Whatsoever going between you, shh, no need to speak. No need to tell about my business is going very good, I have earned this much of money. Take evil eye. And the people who will learn astrology after having this combination, they have a good married life. No hurdles in business. And one sutra more I can give you. If you have this combination and want to start business, start the business with your in-laws money or some other person's money. Because now the other person's money is here. If you start with your own money, there will be losses, hurdles, obstacles. And transform your product always. If you are a manufacturer, businessman, transform your product. Today in the red wrapper, then the yellow, then the green. Keep transforming after few months. And transformation can be the main part of your life. So thank you very much, family member. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. If you already hyped, thank you very much. If not, kindly bless us with subscription. And I wish you a great time ahead. And now This is a one of the strongest conjunction or combination, not conjunction, combination. Eighth house lord in eighth house is very strong condition. Now the natural significations of eighth house become extremely strong. The native may possess a profound interest in occult sciences, astrology, tantra, mantra, yantra, research. There can be a spiritual transformation in the life. Life experiences may often involve a deep karmic lessons. And the addiction tendencies may appear towards occult knowledge, secrecy, psychological control. This person is very much attracted towards the mysteries. And the placement can grant extraordinary intuitive abilities. The person may understand hidden patterns of the life and may be capable of guiding others through the difficult transformation. However, emotional intensity can be strong and the person may go through the multiple life changes. When the planet is strong, the native may become a powerful spiritual practitioner, researcher, healer, surgeon, very good engineer. Because now 8th house is very strong here. And for the some people, while your life will be full of sudden events, you have the internal resilience to handle them. Longevity is very good here. Your life will be long. You're likely to have a deep interest afterlife things. Your presence can be quite intimidating to others because they sense your depth and your ability to see right through their mask because you have very strong intuition. And you must be careful not to become too isolated in the cave of secrets that can really bring psychological issues. Always try to connect yourself to the lighter side of the life also. You can be a very good engineer, IT person, surgeon, astrologer, occultist, manufacturer, CA, auditor, do very good in finance department, in banking. You can handle other people's money very good without any doubt. So that's why I told CA. And the transformation is a constant part of your life, my dear family member. There will be hurdles, there will be pain. Now, who is the source of pain? In-laws can be the source of pain. For some people, in-laws can be the source of transformation. Your own addictions, your own rigidness, your own doubt doing ability is a pain for you. But this house is saying, keep transforming yourself, keep changing yourself. And I see the people with strong 8th house, they get the bigger pains in their life. And every single pain give them a very beautiful change in their life. Very beautiful change. They will go into pain, there is a transformation and they are again the very improved person. So this is a welcome transformation, welcome pain. And you can earn very good in 8th house professions. Second house is a money where this 8th house lord is aspecting. So you can earn good through the 8th house things. Joint finances will be strong. Or maybe sometime the bonding with in-laws will be also strong. Some cases it can be pain. Some cases it can be bonding with in-laws. So now what is a matter of for you to be a secretive? You should be secretive about your speculative related things, about your taxation matters, about your insurance matter. You should be secretive about your in-laws, about your intuitive powers, about your astrology related powers. Anything which you can keep secret, keep secret. Don't reveal before time. Especially regarding your wealth, money and family also, because second house is there. So my dear family member, thank you very much, and I hope I able to tell you about this placement. This is a strong placement, always ready to go through a big pains and big transformation, but you can be a strong person who can handle even the most difficult situation of the life. So thank you very much. Kindly write down if I miss something, subscribe if you are new, and hype this video also, And I pray for you that all good things come to your way in future. Jai Shri Ram. Now let's go and this is little bit a tricky situation, that if 8th house Lord himself is going one step ahead, this is a true, but going in very beautiful house, your fortune. Now when the 8th house Lord moves to the 9th house, the secrecy and the transformation influence your belief system, your philosophy, higher knowledge and destiny. The native may question traditional beliefs, search for a deep spiritual rituals, and interest in mystical philosophy, not philosophy, mystical philosophy, or a hidden teachings may develop. Addiction tendencies may appear towards religious practices, philosophical debates, spiritual exploration, and the person may become obsessed with discovering the ultimate truth of the life. And this placement can produce a scholars of occult philosophy or a spiritual sciences. The native may travel to the sacred places or learn the secret teachings from the gurus. Relationship with father or the guru or the mentors will be always put you in the transformative stage. And if strong, this placement may create a seeker who explores the deeper mysteries of the life. Very simple. And the 9th house of, this is house of higher learning. Now the higher learning in the field of research you can do very good. There can be an addiction to the philosophical debating or a truth hunting things, where you constantly challenge the established rules and traditional beliefs. And you see that, my fortune, now the 8th house Lord, the house of transformation is in 9th house, my fortunes. So your father will be the source of your transformation. Your guru will be the source of your transformation. More you will be religious and devotional, that will bring a transformation to you. There will be the sudden rise in your fortune. Now the suddenness goes to the bhagya, fortune. There will be the sudden rise in your fortune. Now who can be the pain? Your own extremism towards any rituals or anything can be the pain for you. Father can be the pain for you. Mentors can be pain for you. And what you need to be secretive about. Never ever disclose, my fortune is very good. I have very good fortune. Oh, by fortune I am getting this. Don't disclose about your long journeys. Don't disclose about your religious activities, your philosophical activities. Don't disclose about your father, about mentor, about guru. If you keep telling everyone, I have a guru, I have a guru. No, not a good idea. Don't disclose about your fortune. Oh, by fortune I get this phone, by fortune I get this money. Why? No need to disclose. So my dear family member, if I miss something, because up to reaching this point, still I have 2 consultations after this. You see my power, how I am working. So my dear family member, if you have this combination and if I have missed anything, kindly write below. And I told you where you need to be secretive. And I wish you a great luck ahead. And kindly subscribe if you are new and hype the video also. Thank you very much, my dear family member. Now this is one of the toughest combination when the 8th house Lord is go. Hurdles and obstacles are going to your profession, your career. So when 8th house Lord occupies the 10th house, this is a secret house and goes to your career. Now the native may work in professions. This person may connected with the research, psychology, psychiatrists, surgeries, astrology, hidden government operations. Career path may experience sudden changes or unexpected turns in the life. And you have an addiction to the work, ambition, desire, addiction to the power. The person may become deeply invested in professional success. This placement often produces individuals who work behind the scenes in the powerful roles and they may handle the confidential information or crisis situation. If the planet is strong, the native can gain recognition also for solving complex problems. However, most of the astrologers see this combination as a very bad combination, because now hurdles go on to where? In my profession. In my profession. So there will be sudden ups and downs in the profession, sudden changes in the profession, sudden changes with the relationship with your bosses. Your true professional achievements are often not fully known to the public, as you prefer to operate in shadows. I'm telling you, this is a house of hurdles, goes to profession. So there will be hurdles in profession, there will be problems in profession, blockages in profession. So what you need to do, the positive thing is you become an astrologer, become an engineer, become an CA, auditor, manufacturer, surgeon, because now 8th house energy is in the career's house. So make your profession as a 8th house. Make 8th house as your profession. Nothing will happen. You will grow always. I've seen people struggling with this combination because they are not in the 8th house. Sometimes I give advice to them to, to read astrology, to do astrology to get more good results in your life. Yes, this can eradicate all your hurdles sometime. And who is the reason of pain for you? Reason of pain for you is your bosses. Sometimes father, because we see father from here also sometimes. Your pain is your authorities. And sometimes they are also the reason for your transformation also. And what you need to be secretive about? You need to be secretive about your profession, your relation with bosses, your workplace, your relation with authorities, your relation with governments, your name and fame. It should be the hidden. It should not be you get achievement or certificate or something in your job and you putting on the Facebook and sharing in the 20 groups. Not a good idea. Here you need to be secretive about your karma, about your professional life, about your business, even your home environment, because aspecting the 4th house also. So you need to be very secretive about these things. If you're still doing mistakes, telling everything to the people, what I am doing, how I am working, what I am going to do, every time you will land yourself in problem. Some people, they can tell, my boss is very good person, he is very, cooperative with me, this, that. After few days, that boss become against him or her and creating problems. Why you revealed? Don't reveal. Write below if I miss something. Thank you very much. I wish you a great luck. Kindly subscribe if you are new. If you already subscribed, thank you very much, my family member. Now, the 8th house lord in 11th house. This is a little bit, a tricky situation, because when 8th house lord goes to the 11th house, secrecy connects with the income and social networks. The native may earn through the research. This is a positive thing. Hidden resources, confidential work, and friends may include people connected with the mystical and investigative fields. You may have that kind of friends. And addiction tendencies may be, I want more gains, more ambitions, more wishes. The person will be obsessed with achieving the goals, long-term goals. Sometimes this placement brings a subtle financial gains or unexpected opportunities also through the networks. However, the friendships may undergo a transformation or a secrecy. If the planet is strong, the person will gain through the inheritance, because inheritance lord goes to the gains, research projects, hidden investments. It all depends what your planet is. The realization of your hopes and dreams often comes through the 8th house channel, like inheritance, occult practices, deep research. You find your friends are constantly changing. Many people enter in your life and leave you suddenly, then new friends, then new friends. To find a true fulfillment, you must learn to distinguish between the meaningful connections and the obsessive associations with your social sphere. And maybe your friends are very secretive person. Maybe your friends are surgeons, researchers, and you have very secretive relationship in the social circle. Maybe your elder siblings are very secretive. Who will bring pain for you? Elder siblings can be the reason for pain for you. Elder siblings can be the reason for transformation for you. Both cases are different. Sometimes your friend circle is the reason for pain for you, and sometimes your friends will be the reason for your transformation. I always say, if anybody have this combination, kindly don't give money in the friend circle, because you will give money and they will never give you back, and there will be friction and problem within you. Try not to give. If somebody is in very much problem and you think this is a genuine thing to do, you can do. But out of your habit, if you start helping people and they keep cheating you, that is not very good thing. And occult and the research, all these things you can earn very well. Now gains are, occult is, and 8th house lord is gone there, so you can gain from that things. What you need to be secretive? You need to be secretive about your gains. You need to be secretive about your wishes. You need to be secretive about your friend circle. You need to be secretive about your elder siblings. You need to be secretive if any innovation you are doing. You're going to make something big. No need to disclose, my dear family member. This video will help you very much that where you need to be a secretive in your life. Why to disclose my own wishes and gains? Only evil eye you will attract. And 8th house is saying, please keep it secret. So I need to be secret. Thank you very much. If you have this combination, write below if I missed something. Kindly subscribe the channel if you are new, and hype this video. Every family member, please hype this. Let's grow together fast. Only your blessing that I am reach up to here. Thank you very much. And now this is a Vipreet Raj Yoga again. When the 12th, in the 12th house, when the 8th house lord will go, this is again a kind of Vipreet Raj Yoga. When the 8th house enters the 12th, the two houses of mysticism and hidden realities now combined. This often creates a strong interest in spirituality, meditation, occult sciences, subconscious exploration. And the native may prefer the solitude and may spend the spiritual time in the spiritual retreats. Yes, addiction tendencies will be like escapism, dreams, imagination. This is your addiction. Spiritual practices can be addiction. Spending can be your addiction. Investment is never good for you. Don't do in your name. If you want to do investment, do in joint name. This placement can create a powerful intuition and psychic sensitivity, and the native may experience the vivid dreams or the spiritual visions. If afflicted, there may be struggles with isolation or emotional withdrawal. However, if strong, the placement can produce a seeker who ultimately moves towards the moksha and the spiritual liberation. This is very good. Secrecy is a paramount here. You may have secret expenses, hidden foreign connections, or a very private spiritual practices you go into. There is the risk of hidden enemies always here. But you also have the power to conquer. You may experience sudden losses sometime that actually turn out to be gains in the long run, because they free you from karmic debt, and these losses further will become your gains. Very spiritual placement. This is one of the most spiritual placement. And I see the people, if with this placement, they go out to the foreign lands and do research there. Foreign lands become the transformative place for them. Yoga, meditation, beautiful. And if you have this combination, you have to practice let go daily. Let go. Be in this situation. Don't keep enmity in your mind. If you have this combination, because that is losses and investments both, and 8th house is a pain. So whenever you will spend more, there will be pain. Whenever you will be invest blindly, there will be pain. Now who is bringing pain? Hidden enemies, your own investments, your own expenditure, your extra spiritual approach, doing a charity very much, or no charity at all. Both things are painful. So what you should be careful about, what you should be secretive about, you should be careful about your expenses and should not disclose to anyone. I have 50,000 expenses this month, I have 1 million, this million. Never ever disclose your foreign trips. Never ever disclose your spiritual practices. Never ever disclose your investments. And most important, never ever disclose your charities. Keep it super secretive. This is a powerful combination, Vipreet Raj Yoga. The problems will come first, and then you will be into the deep spiritual stage. Problems will disappear, and you will be the winner in end. But whenever we have this combination, 8th house Lord in the 12th house, aspecting the 6th house, this is a 6, 8, 12 combination. Always be in seva, serve people, always be in charity, always be in yoga meditation, and always be in the let go stage. Let go the things from your mind. Forgive the people. This is what you need to do. But I already told you where you need to be a secretive. So my dear family member, very small video, because when I see so many charts and see people doing mistakes somewhere, so I think about that, where they are making mistakes. So I need to, tell my family members, guide my family members. That's why I make this kind of video. So I am happy that I able to tell that according to your placement, where you need to be a secretive. And I hope from today onwards, you will be secretive. Thank you very much. 8th house again is not a pain only. This is a pain after gain. This tells you where you need to be secretive, where your obsession is, where your enemies is. Because wherever 8th house Lord, you will find their hidden enemies always. If 8th house Lord in the first house, you are your hidden enemy. If 8th house Lord in the second house, your family is the hidden enemy. Sometimes. If 8th house Lord in the third house, neighbors can be the hidden enemy. 4th house, your own domestic environment is a hidden enemy. Somebody is there. If in 5th house, your love relationship or your kids will become hidden enemy. And in the 6th house, yes, your colleagues. In the 7th house, life partner or business partners can be the hidden enemy. In the 8th house, you have lots of hidden enemies. In the 9th house, sometimes mentors. In the 10th house, bosses. In the 11th house, your friend circles. And in the 12th house, again, the lots of hidden enemies. So, thank you very much. You've given me all this strength to make these videos continuously. And I pray to God that all good things happens in your life. Whatever I am telling you, this 8th house brings transformation to you. And anyhow, if God will bless me, very soon I am going to start a English classes for the astrology. So thank you very much. All your blessings, what I am doing, kindly subscribe if you have not. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Mata Di, Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Ma Lakshmi, Jai Guru.